Hello everybody, this is Kenneth Elliott from BalanceBikeTrainer.com, and today I'm just on again trying to do a small review on the Hobby Bike. If you don't know what Hobby Bike is, it is a brand that has discovered how to incorporate a balance bike design but also incorporate a traditional bike design in the same brand. So what happens is, if you start a child at a young age, something around 2 to 5 years old and everything, they don't know how to ride a bike, you could purchase them a balance bike that will just teach them how to learn balance. That's the main concern, that's the main thing that balance bikes teach. But what Hobby Bike has done is they created a bike that once you have allowed your child to gain balance on the bike, you can add a pedal system to the bike and they can continue riding and learn how to do the pedaling, the steering, the braking, everything else that you just don't learn while you're doing the balance stage. They've incorporated that and made this bike so that it's very easy in the beginning, that you could just put them on a balance bike, and once they finish, add that pedal system. It's really easy to put on. Today I'm just going to show you what you get when you purchase a Hobby Bike. You'll get the main frame that comes the way it's shown. It will have the wheels already installed on the bike. You're not getting any cheap material when you buy a Hobby Bike. You're getting real tires, real rubber that you have to pump up. You'll get rear and front brakes for the bike, which is different from most bikes anyway. While you're doing the balance stage, of course, you will not be using the rear braking system. That comes more into effect when you install the bike part of the system. Of course, you get the handlebars, you get a seat, which is pretty good. It's a pretty good seat. I mean, it's well padded, well secured. That goes simply into the seat with no problem. Adjustment is not done by a quick release or anything like that. You will have to take a wrench and adjust that to the size of your child or the inseam of your child. You also get a full box of the equipment that you need in order to do the transfer of the bike. Inside you'll get the guard for your chain. You will get pedals for when you change it over. You will get the piece that goes in here that installs into the bike when you install the new system. You'll get a Hobby Bike bear. You'll get the chain and all the numerous tools and screws that you would need to do everything that you need for this bike. So it's a complete system. Everything is there for you. You will not have to really pull out any tools or anything like that. You know, just everything, a small adjustment, everything that on this bike, as soon as you get it, is adjusted just about where it needs to be at. So, we at BalanceBikeTrainer.com, we love this bike. It does cater to a very direct group of people. And for the price point, this bike costs around $129. I think it's a very good investment because you're not just working on the balance skills, you're working on total skills from balance all the way to traditional bike. you know, after they go to a just traditional bike, they probably stay with this for another year or two. And then go to the hobby bike system of adding the pedals to it. You'll probably stay with that probably about a year or so, maybe another year, if so. And then you'll go to a larger, probably 16-inch bike or larger, depending on your child. And like I said, these are 12-inch wheels on this bike. Very good system, worth the money. I trained my child on this bike. He loves it. Loved it a whole lot and always asks for it. We still ride it. We still use it. It's a real joy to have. And that's the review. This is Kenneth Elliott from BalanceBikeTraining.com. If you have any questions, please leave your questions or comments on this video. I will answer your questions. If you want to purchase a bike, please visit us at BalanceBikeTraining.com. We will be glad to talk to you about it. You know, if you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is on the website, BalanceBikeTraining.com. If you have any comments or any questions, you could just go ahead and go to our comment section. Go ahead and shoot us an email. We will get right back to you. Once again, Kenneth Elliott, BalanceBikeTraining.com, and I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your time.